good morning, internet. So, well, it's not such an early morning because it's 10 o'clock. Again, I slept, no, I don't feel good today. I was debating actually stay here maybe, but I decided at the end I have to go. I cannot stay too much here. So I don't know, I ate something that did really not sit with my stomach very well. But let's see, let's do this trip. Today we're going from Luang Prabang to Vang Vieng. So we are on our way to Vang Vieng. Let's see the street that everybody talks that is not good. Let's see if it's good. Or it's not good. Should be a nice ride. Should be up in the mountain. They told me that it's very high actually. So let's see what we found. Until now every trip has been very nice. Have 186 kilometers to do. Not too much really, but it's all about the street practically. Yep. Gonna go fast. It's gonna be a long day like this. So I took a break here. I stopped 1 minute because all the dust, even if I have that whatever you call that face thing, still come in, and I'm looking, everything is completely full of dust here, all my bags and everything. And so I got to stop to drink some water. If anyone is wondering, yes, my camel bag is not with me. Why? Well, because it broke down. I guess it was so good, to be honest. It was O'Neill brand, generic brand, I guess. But it broke down when we was in Pai, I think was the last time that I used them, and it broke down. So so I don't have more of that. So I'm back to my old thermos, you know. The good that I had them, at least I can use them, even if I thought maybe one day I want to put some coffee and keep some warm coffee. But no, now I'm using for water because I know how. And yeah, the dust, it was so much, I had to stop. So to be honest, there's nothing to show you here because I'm just on a corner here. You have some beautiful mountain, but then nothing to see really. All right, okay, I will rest 5 minutes here and then we will proceed. Look at this. Look at this! Look at this beautiful mountain! Look at this. This is just beautiful. I don't know how high we are here, but it's getting colder and colder very fast. And on the shadow, like now, yeah, it's cold. But no more 3. You see, you have a line 3 and then up. It's number 3. So it looks like number 3, I don't know. Ay, buffalo, buffalo. Okay. Wow, look at this. You just look at this. Amazing. So I go. Oh, let's close the visor. So here is PTT and Amazon. So in Laos they don't have the yogurt smoothie, but I got a nice chocolate frappe. I was looking, I think I need to cut my hair. 55 kilometers, 1 hour and 41 minutes, Google Maps say. So that let me think that this route is bad. Okay. What do you want to do? You get what you get, right? Alright, okay. I'll see you when we go. I wanted to pass the truck. Maybe no pass the pasty there, but I don't want all the dust in my face. Look at this beauty. Okay, that was all what I can see. You guys see it for me. Oh, I don't know how they stay here, to be honest. I want to buy this. I want to buy. Let's see here. Can I buy a little bit of this? Small. Okay, okay, small like this. Huh. This good, that good, what good? This, okay. This. We're gonna put them.
1 kilo.
Okay. 1 kilo, okay. $1 kilo, 25,000. 25,000. 50,000.
Tôi đã买指标。Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so we bought some oranges or mandarin or I don't know. They look big like oranges. They look big like oranges, but I think they are mandarin. I feel bad for these people that live here and have to breed all this. Okay, this is really taking us 2 hours to make 50 kilometers. look on the road. Hello guys. So, sorry, here we made, we are in Vang Vieng. We made, it's, let me see what time is. It's 5 o'clock. So, we left at 10 o'clock, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 hours to make 81 kilometer. How you saw, the road was really terrible, and I think I complained more than once in the video. Say I prefer way more gravel road than broken tarmac. Broken tarmac is not good for your bike. I mean, I think Bold got to go through another big test today. This was another big test. Really crazy. You saw the dust. I mean, I started breathing dust like crazy. At the beginning it was good. It was okay. Yes, it was broken, but it was okay. But then the last, oh boy, I think the last 50 kilometer when I stopped in Amazon was 55 kilometer left. Already from there, already was completely broken down, dust like crazy. I mean, you was passing one truck and 2 minutes later you had another truck in the front. I'm gonna go eat now. Before eating, I'm gonna go to, we're gonna go paragliding, I think it's called. That, you know, the Delta plane but with the motor underneath, with like a plane that you can sit, 2 people sit and go. I'm gonna try to have that for tomorrow. And morning, because tomorrow is the only day that we're gonna stay here. The day after we're gonna leave right away for Vietnam, because the time is really shortening and I want to go all the way down to south. That was my intention and I want to do. And I really lost too much time here up. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna be back here before it's dark and work a little bit on the video. And I'll see you tomorrow on our paragliding. I think it's paraglide, yeah. It's not parachute. Parachute is when you jump. Paraglide is when you actually go, right? I hope so. All right, okay. Let me show you this room one moment and then let's go. So, okay, this is the room, how you can see. Let me show you quick. It's called M&M Hotel in Vang Vieng. It's in a very good position. It's perfect. It's like close to everything, really. I was here, if you look at my video, I was here already, I think 6 months ago, 8 months ago, but not with the bike. I flew here. I flew to Vietnam and then I come here with a taxi. Anyway, nice big king bed, you can see. You have a balcony, no view, of course, but you can see the mountain there. So I think that is already, and there is one of that I want to do tomorrow, whatever is called that, okay? Paragliding, I think is. I don't know if you can see him with the GoPro, with the camera GoPro, but it's there flying just by the mountain. So I want to do that. So here you have a refrigerator, you have your TV, you have your phone, you have coffee, cream, sugar, cup, water, the refrigerator I already told you. Here I have my top box with all my stuff. Helmet, kettle to make coffee, bag. I don't know if you can see how dusty it is. I mean, you should be able to see him. I hope so. I don't know with the GoPro. Look at this jacket. completely. I need to see if I can find somewhere to wash them tomorrow, all this, and if not, we're gonna wash them in Vietnam. And then here is the bathroom, toilet, sink, shower, nice shower. You see, you have the rain shower on top and the regular shower there. They give you shampoo, shower gel. They give you a few amenities here, really. Dental kit, yeah, too. This will be a sanitary bag, no, shower cap, cotton buds. Okay, so you see, you have a couple of things here that they give you. Breakfast is included. You have this hanger here to hang your clothes, and you got this. I don't know if you. I guess if you stay more days here, you can put a couple of stuff in here, your bag stuff. You got this mirror. All right, okay. That will be everything. Let me go. Let me take a shower, and let's go to eat.